What are you doing, Abby?
I'm getting me a worm.
What kind of worm?
Pink.
Pink worm.
Pink bubblegum worm.
Pink bubblegum worm. What has Daddy been doing?
Sorting tackle and sorting his holes.
For what?
For this Saturday because he has a tournament.
What Saturday is that? That's tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow we got a bass tournament.
Yep.
What all you got in that box? Tell everybody what you got in that box.
Okay. I don't want to pull my bobs out because you might go to them.
Okay.
And it has a red hook and a silver hook.
What's up, girl?
And I have a pop hook. And I don't know what
A
this
beetle spin.
A beetle spin. This is called a bobber called glass beads.
Yeah. Glass beads, yeah.
My brother gave them to me. And these are called sinkers.
Oh, you got some big old sinkers.
And this one is not like it, but it is sinkers.
That's right. That's your catfishing sinker.
I know.
For when we catch some catfish.
Fish.
Singing about them hippopotamuses.
And this is for my catfish too.
There it is. And then she's got some jigs and stuff like that. And I am officially all rigged up and ready for tomorrow. So everybody wish me luck. And
Maggie, might I get you a knife to cut this one?
yeah. Yeah. Can I finish the video first?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, hopefully it'll go good. Me and Alex is going to fish it. And we'll let y'all know then. Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe.